My name is Alfredo Costa Monteiro. I'm a visual and sound artist. I've been working with internet for many years now, and lately I've discovered Documenta. Documenta is a really interesting space for creativity because in my example, as I'm not really good in computers, I find it really interesting to work because it opens a new way of relating things all together, a new way of putting all this material, which sometimes is difficult to do, because if you don't have many knowledge about computers, you're always depending on somebody else. So in this case, it's really easy to understand. It's really easy to program, and in a way, it's what is very important for us who work as artists is the fact of not being always depending on somebody else. And it also allows people who are collaborating from in other countries, for example, or in other locations. It's also a way that helps working all together in different countries. I mean, we can share information, we can send documents, we can send material and work all together directly on the internet. And this is really, it's very practical in the way that it's direct. You don't have to lose time waiting for the material to arrive, for example. You don't have to download the material, you can work directly on internet. And this is, well, I think it's really a good point. Especially in the case of sound files, which are sometimes too heavy when you want to send them to another musician or to another collaborator. And the fact of working all together on the same space and at the same time is really interesting for us, because you don't have you don't lose so much time in working on such a process. So it's very direct in a way, and we are in constant contact one with the other, which allows to work in a much more direct way, as I said before. And which is very interesting about this also is the fact that you can feel you have a certain freedom on when you're working on the form of it, on the, let's say, the visual part, because there's not something which is imposed by the program in itself, as other spaces that exist on internet that everybody knows. I'm not going to mention them, but some of them are quite famous and everybody has this kind of space. But in this case, I find it really interesting because you can change anything. You can leave really as you want it to be. And I think it's a really amazing thing that no other space can offer until now.